Dropped on the floor. Welcome back. Today on Jesse Does It, we are going to make some Damascus. That's right, I haven't been in the knife shop in a long time. Gonna do it today. We're gonna forge out some Damascus, a couple blades. I think we're gonna heat treat some stuff. I got a special guest, Dave Cato, coming over. He is my instructor. He taught me everything that I know. He's gonna come hang out with us today, so I'm really stoked on that. Ryan will be here also. Together we're gonna forge out some cool stuff, so stay tuned and watch what happens. So for Damascus, I've got two different steels. We got 15 and 20 and 80 CRV2. The 15 and 20 has N for nickel, and that's what pops when you etch it, and this one stays darker. So we're gonna cut out this, get it all surface ground, ready to forge together. And I also have another scrap piece of Damascus. I may throw a couple pieces of that in there too, just for added effect. So let's get started.
Dad?
Yeah, baby.
Dad, take this.
Sure, come on in.
Look what I did.
You drew that?
Hmm?
What is that?
It's a ladybug.
Wow, you did all that by yourself. Great job, kiddo. Say hi to the camera.
Hi.
All right, so we've got 2 inches marked out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 plus 9 will be 18. And I think I'm gonna throw the other pieces of Damascus in here. So we're gonna end up with 40 something layers on this first press. So here we go, safety glasses on. When forging Damascus, it's really important to keep the two steels separate. That way you don't mix them up, because once I grind on them, you're not going to be able to tell which one is which. So right now we're going to grind the thin coating of protectant and oil and grime and all the grease and stuff. We're going to grind that off. Then go ahead and set up our billet, tack weld it together, and then it's time to forge it. So we've got the pieces all ground down. Now we're going to take some acetone and clean them off, make sure there's no oil or fingerprints or anything like that on there. It's very important when making Damascus to make sure your steel is completely clean, or else it won't forge well together. It'll cause delams and other issues. And once again, keep those pieces separate so you know which is which. So we've got all the metal cleaned up, stacked as even as possible, alternating patterns in between, making sure of that. And clamp together, and we're going to weld it and throw a stick on for a handle. There you have it. The billet is welded together, not going to separate under the heat of the forge, and we are going to dip it in diesel, no flames, and when everybody gets here, we'll go ahead and weld that up. All right, so this is Dave Cato.
Hi.
We got Ryan over here. Ryan, what are you doing today?
Getting ready to heat treat some fillet knives. First time ever making a fillet knife, so we'll see how it works.
So we got high potential for these to warp. Do you want something better to clamp them in, or do you think that is fine?
That's fine.
That's fine?
That's fine.
That's fine. It's fine if they just turn into S's. It's okay. That's fine.
Trying to find out.
Yeah, that's good.
If I knew you were heat treating, I would have brought that jig that Carrie made me.
That's true. Yeah, there's a center pin in there.
Oh.
Yeah, I love hitting it. It's wonderful. It makes it fun.
That's not the one I wanted to hit with either.
That looks good.
Nobody cares about this stuff.
No one cares on YouTube about my videos anyways. My own friends don't watch them.
Well, I'll watch this one.
should all be solid, one piece of metal, and I can start drawing it out.
Mostly.
So I've got the billet all forged out. It's shaping up to be a knife right now, and that's kind of what I'm working on now. Just fine tuning the shape and size of the knife that I'm making.
How's she look? Oh, I'm in my gun
So that's the knife shape. The rest will be cleaned up on the grinder. This is that Damascus billet that I made today and forged it to shape, and will be a knife next time that you see it.
You gonna redo that?
Huh?
You gonna redo that?
Part of my YouTube videos is that Jesse can't talk.
The bloopers.
Jesse just doesn't know how to talk to a camera. Jesse does it for some reason is not coming up. So J Ewing 84, Jesse Ewing 84. Just
Okay.
yeah.
Look at 'em.
But
Is it all steel, or is it you doing fishing too?
I do anything that I do. So my Mexico trip is there, knife making, my truck stuff. I mean, I might film me washing the boat today with the kiddos. Like anything that I do, I just put it up there and hope people like it. So speaking of, if you like this video today, then like, comment, subscribe, and be sure to give me a follow. Love it. Thank you guys. And I am Jesse with Jesse Does It.